Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to improve or increase website text readability using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google. Now right here, just read Chrome extension, press enter. So this is link, so click on it. Now Chrome web store open and then you see add to Chrome, so click on it. And then you see button add extension, so click on it. So this just read Google Chrome extension has been added to Google Chrome. Now go to any website, on top you see extension icon, so click on it and then you see just read pin it. Now on top you see icon, so this is our text. So we are going to increase readability for website text. Now you see text font is small, now click on it. Now you see website text. Also you see some option print and then you see edit your theme, so click on it. So you can select theme background color. Now you see also you see font size, so you can set according to your requirement 20. Now you see text color, so you can change according to your requirement. Also you see background color, link cover color, so you can do setting for just read according to your requirement and then click on save and close. So by using this add-on, so you can improve website text readability. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.